Hey everyone, welcome to Power Hour Live. Give me a quick yes in the chat if you can hear me okay. I just had to do an adjustment with my mic, so make sure you can hear me okay. Thank you, Bosch. Thank you. Welcome everyone. Monday, June 16th. S&P is up 53 points. NASDAQ up 298. Russell's up 19. Dow's up 302. Gold is down 1.5%, silver flat, notes and bonds a little bit red, 10-year yield up 0.75%. Oil is down a little over 2%, natty gas up 4.5%, soybeans finished flat, wheat and corn red, euro and the pound are up about 0.25%. Bitcoin surging up 3.6%, a little above 109,000 now. I did not do any BICs today, which, based on the price action, looks like I may have gotten lucky. I had a baseball tournament of my son's I had to be at, and I could not log into my computer with TAT, so I skipped the BICs today. As far as day trading goes, I'm up a little under 1,000. Whoops. I've still got some calls in Hood, seeing if it may want to make a run to all-time highs by the end of today. And then I did 3 Elmos, all 3. Well, one of them did not hit profit target. I closed it at about 19.5%. First 2 hit profit target, so 3 winners today in Elmo, which I was looking at my records. It's 15 winning Elmos in a row. But that's it for me today. Chad, how about you? Yeah, nothing on for me. Pretty low premiums here coming into Power Hour. I think I could get 5 wide a little bit ago, but just like you said, price is just trending downwards. Not sure I like that kind of action for a 5 wide or a straddle. Elliott Bix, so far so good. That's good. Robinhood is currently at $76.51. All-time highs is $77.80. Bitcoin's been basically going up all day. Had a surge this morning, chop, and then just another surge here in the last 30 minutes or so. Russell acting the weakest. It's back down below yesterday's, or back below Friday's high. Yeah, I did not plan on being at baseball today, but the tournaments these days are crazy. So it was Thursday, 2 games, Friday, 1 game, Saturday, 1 game, made it to the bracket. So Sunday, 1 game, and then another game today. We lost, so we didn't play. Otherwise, we would have played a second game. So Thursday through Sunday, I need a break from baseball. Although I got to say, my Elmo trading while I'm at baseball games from my phone is pretty solid. Maybe I'll just start trading Elmos from my phone. So as far as earnings for the week, really nothing. We've got JBL, which is tradable. That's before the market opened tomorrow. So if you wanted to trade that right now, you could. I'm going to pass. but pretty light on earnings. Kroger is before the open Friday. CarMax before the open Friday. A little pop. Little poppy pop. All kinds of headlines of missiles flying everywhere, but market doesn't care anymore. Cared for about 12 hours. As far as econ news goes, tomorrow morning we've got retail sales pre-market, and that's about it. Wednesday, unemployment claims pre-market, and then FOMC in the afternoon. Thursday, market is closed. Friday, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index pre-market. Hood hit new highs of day. Got 5 calls left in Hood. Decent drop in VIX on that little bounce. Google's rushing through highs of day. Amazon's at highs of day. Tesla has been pretty choppy all day. Has not really broken. It ticked outside of its first 5 minutes on the second bar, but has not been outside of its first 5 minute range all day. You taking a break, kind of resetting back to just TLC? Meta? Meta's kind of, well, yeah, I've got Meta on my board. It dipped early, then it ripped, then it fell, and it kind of bounced a little bit, but it's basically in mid-range for the day. Up almost 3%. AMD is up 9%. Here's the biggest movers today. AMD's up 9%. Coinbase is up 8.5%. MSTR was, even with Bitcoin strong, MSTR early was weak. Yeah, it's still weak, although getting a little bounce now. HIM's up 7%, but off of its highs. Celsius up 6.5%. Oracle is the weakest, currently at its lows. Hood is pushing. I'm going to keep riding these calls. Yeah, coin has been just little dips going straight up all day. What's that discount? There's a relationship with coin and the U.S. Army. I've been out of touch with headlines today. Oh, I see. I saw the U.S. Army. I thought it was something to do with that. Oh, sponsoring the war. S&P is little bounce is getting pushed back down. After noticing Celsius up 6.5%, I better go grab my power hour drink. I'm going to go with the fizz-free peach mango and green tea today. I'll let you guys listen in on the open. Oh yeah. Sounds tasty, doesn't it? I did hear something about the military just employed some top, I don't know if it's developers or top employees at a couple of AI companies, OpenAI and I think one or two others.
Order cancelled.
This S&P feels heavy. Russell feels heavy. All the fathers out there, did you guys have a good Father's Day this weekend, yesterday? My Father's Day was good. Just another day at the ballpark. No negative P&L, that's always good. Oh, yeah, nice, Joey. Remind me, boy, was it a boy or girl? How old now? Just a few months, right? Seven months, wow. Nice. Nvidia's coming down. Banks are coming down. Goldman's coming down. JP, Bank of America. Coinbase got its biggest red bar of the day. Off the top, off the highs. Hood is also coming down. I'm going to go ahead and bail on Hood. So total day trading plus 899. So my day trades today took Hood off of previous day high, the blue line here. Rode it all the way up until I just got out. Netflix, I tried to do the same, but it squeezed me out, and I took a loss on that one. SMCI was my biggest winner. It was above previous day high when it dipped right here and bounced really hard. That's where I got in and rode that up. Got out of a lot of it at the top, and then got out of my runner. I don't know, after it had already pulled back quite a bit, but that was plus 1456. And then MU, I'm kind of questioning my my take on this one, but that was for minus 404. That was a downside trade. I really don't know why I got into that one, to be honest. After I got in, it was one of those, why did I just get in this? Dev D, do you see me moving my toss up on here, my big screen? Yeah, I'm looking at my preview. It looks right. What about now? You see MU? Oil had a little bit of a wild ride today. Started pushing up initially, had a big drop when the news came out that Iran was ready to negotiate. And then it bottomed and popped back up and kind of finished around mid-range. Right. I saw that too. I guess that's when. Yeah. You going out at 50 or are you holding? Apple and Amazon. Got about 10 minutes till MOC. Let's see what old Mr. Mahomes is trading at. Did you get your OCO set up? Let's see the 60-30 fly. Looks like it's only trading for about $1. Why do you hate OCOs so much, Chad? Gotcha. A Bosch, 3 bullish butterflies, and Ricks, all closing at max loss. Oh, that's no good. I thought you were saying max profit for a second. Oh yeah, the old orb would not be looking good right now. One step at a time. Banks were starting to get weak, but they're starting to bounce a little bit. About 6 minutes till MOC. So let's see, what was the expected move in SPX this morning? Chris, you didn't post it? I think Fish said it was like 30. Ready for Mahomes. So that's just Wooga and day trades? Gotcha. Gotcha. 30 butterflies still staying pretty cheap. Wooga coming in hot. About 2.5 minutes till MOC. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my audio so you guys can hear the MOC announcement. Oh, nice, Dave S. I was looking at a 2.4, but I just decided not to do anything. There's already a big contraction in the VIX going into the day, so well, we might be looking at the 35 fly. Which looks like it's trading for around $1.25, maybe $1.30. S&P getting a little bounce. Should be hearing it soon. Well, got a little move down, but still haven't heard what the MOC is. It looks like small buy number, 433 million. I didn't get any voice, but it just posted. Oh, you did? Huh. All right. So a little reaction down. Most of the big stocks are dipping. Banks are dipping. $30 butterflies still trading for around $1.40, maybe $1.30. Still pretty cheap, nowhere close to $2. Nvidia coming down. Apple coming down a little bit. Russell is bouncing, staying above Friday's high. Been getting filled on Mahomes flies right around this time, right around close to 5 minutes till the bell, but not very close yet. SPX, a little dip getting bought up.
Order cancelled.
You were. Oh yeah, there it is. I'm going to do a little 5-lotter. Filled at 220. SPX at 33. So the futures are showing a 99.8% chance we don't change. So yeah, a decrease would certainly be a surprise. Jerome has been pretty forthcoming. He hasn't, I don't remember him ever really coming out with a surprise, but never know. SPX down to 28, 27, in the 26s. Anything below 27 would be a winner. 2 minutes. Go 2 more points down. I'm going ride or die with the fly. Started about 26 out into the 25s. Come on. Come on. 1 minute. Let's get below 25. About 30 seconds. Back up to 29 and a half. Back to 30. Ten seconds. Need a rip. Up to 32. Above 33 will be a winner. There is the bell. Looks like 6033.11. So a little scratch winner. Little scratch win. That's right. Better than a loss. See you, Bosch. You're a winner. All right, all. That is a wrap for the day as far as the live stream goes tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 17th. Chad will be streaming live at the market open for day trading. We'll be back for Power Hour. Have a good night. Take care. Talk to you soon.